You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these two words correctly once and for all in English. For more pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. Those are homophones, meaning they have exactly the same pronunciations in English. How do you say it? Steak, English pronunciation, British English or American English are similar. The top word is a piece of meat, a steak with a delicious pepper sauce, steak. Now the bottom word has a different meaning. It's pronounced also as steak. It's a strong wooden or metal post, a stake. It's also a support for a plant. Or you also say, what's at stake? Steak. They're both pronounced, same pronunciation. How to pronounce in English? Steak pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.